guys, this is the new backyard. This is where they came out and put the flags already. Where the pole want to be. So this is one. This is the company. Pretty big. And here, so it's gonna be 24 feet wide and 40 feet long. So I think it was best for us to put it right there. And the privacy fence we're gonna build, it's gonna be all the way around here. Yeah. Hey guys, Terrence here. They started building our pole barn today. Well, they did the excavation on the site. I guess they're gonna start constructing it and maybe pour concrete during the construction, but let me show you guys what they've done so far. I'm glad I didn't put the other shed up right here because they were rolling around, padding this thing up. They lifted it up too, so don't worry about no water running. But our poor little grass back here. I have to plant some more grass when we construct the building, but it looks really, really good. And it's gonna be huge, big enough for our needs. Yeah, this is awesome. What's up? What's up, guys? They're finally building our pole barn. For the short amount of time that they had, and it did kind of start raining a little bit today, they got a lot done today. It looks good. It looks really good. What's up, guys? Okay, we're on day 2 of our pole barn getting built, and they're doing a fabulous job. I'll show you guys where they're at. And it's beautiful. Concrete is expected to be here tomorrow. So they kind of lay it out. A lot of space now, man. It's huge in here. Make me some shelving up there. Got the door put up today. Just open this door up. They left us some remotes. And we got a new lift master. I like that. It's Wi-Fi. It works with Wi-Fi. It's incredible. Man, it looks really good in here. Look who's joining me, it's Kaden.
See how good this door is?
How good it is.
It's the real heavy door.
I love this setup. Okay guys, they finally finished my pole barn. It's 45'x24 wide. I'm not sure the height. They gave me a free weather vane. It's really nice, I like it. Really cool weather vane. Awesome job. I'm very pleased with the finished product. The cement guys just left. It's kind of tall. I guess I can put some gravel there, some rocks or something to build it up. And I'll eventually put cement here and around there. Let me show you guys. Let me open the other door. Piling up stuff already. The cement is brand new. It's a couple days old and it got these black spots, and I called and they said that this is normal, that it's not receiving sunlight, so it's not curing as fast as it should, but that'll go away. It'll bleach out white, so hopefully that's the case. Amazing job. Amazing job. Now I got some room. So next, because it's getting, this is fall now and it's getting cold. Today is October the 9th, 2019. It's getting cold outside and I won't be able to organize it because I got so much other stuff to do. I won't be able to organize it today. I mean this year, but come spring next year, we'll be kind of putting all of my shelving all the way up to the top and organize everything that I got. Just wanted to show you guys the finished product. I'm in love with this thing. I'll be doing the electrical here. I'm hanging some beautiful lights all around here. And I already ran my piping from the inside before they get the cement. So I'm ready to go with that. And yeah, I'm gonna make it be really, really nice in here. And I finally got my own space behind the house. So, and I got another shed to put up right here. Another shed at the other old house. I'll be putting it up right there. So they left me a lot of scrap wood. I'm not mad. I'll clean up behind them. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that. Let me walk around the back and show. I'm almost done with the old house. I'll be uploading tons of footage. And I'm gonna show you guys, I'll share with you guys all the cool stuff I'll be uploading. So subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload the newest content. And like, share, and comment. Let me know what you guys think. Terrence and I'm out.